A very simple problem in rotational motion, just dealing with the definitions. The body has its center of mass at the origin. The y coordinates of the particles of the body may be 1. All positive, all negative, all non-zero, or positive for some cases and negative in other cases. Which of the following is correct? So this question is almost a field question. If you place the center of mass at the origin and the particles of the body are pretty much uniformly going to be distributed around the center of mass. So there is a very good chance that first of all there won't be a particle at the center of mass. That's the whole definition of center of mass. So all non-zero is correct. If you look at it, looking at x and y coordinates, that's the thing. The center of mass is at the origin 0, 0. So if that is the case. I'm assuming two dimension here, but so the center of mass is the average position of all the parts of the system weighted according to their masses. So you're going to take the average of all the y's to come to the 0, and you're going to take all the averages of the x to come to 0, even with respect to their position, right? It's the average position. So if it is average, then there has to be positives and negatives. It cannot be all positives, then you won't end up in 0. It cannot be all negatives, again you won't end up in 0. So clearly you have to have some positives and some negatives, and there cannot be a particle in the center of mass itself. So so all will be non-zero. So the y coordinates of the particles will be all non-zero and positive for some cases and negative in other cases. So clearly answer is 3 and 4.